People are always asking us if it's possible to grind your own matcha at home, so we decided to make a short video about it. In November 2019, we visited 2 farmers in the countryside of Shizuoka to tour their fields and learn a bit more about organic tea farming. When we went into their home to taste a few of their teas, we saw a miniature version of a matcha mill. This mill was purchased by them recently in order to test whether or not the tea they produce could be turned into a good matcha. Normally, matcha is made in these large mills. These mills can cost thousands of dollars, so it is a big commitment when a farmer decides to produce matcha at full scale. These larger mills do come with their advantages, however. The larger network of grooves in the full-size matcha mill produces a finer powder. If you try to grind tea leaves in this miniature mill, you end up with these coarsely ground tea leaves rather than a fine powder. Matcha has to be incredibly well ground so that it can be mixed directly into water. That's why if you want to produce true ceremonial grade matcha, it has to be done in a full-scale mill. So there's a very long and complicated answer to a common question. Yes, it's possible to grind your own matcha at home, but it's either extremely expensive or it will yield a lower quality matcha that doesn't perform as it should. We recommend just purchasing matcha from the professionals. The farmers we source our matcha from are incredibly skilled at what they do. Not only are they able to produce smooth, flavorful matcha teas, they also do so without the use of conventional pesticides or fertilizers. If you would like to try some real ceremonial grade matcha, we recommend you try out our Matcha Sampler, a collection of 7 matcha teas from all over Japan. These all have different flavors to them, so you can try a few and see which one you like most.